welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add WhatsApp chat to WordPress website. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install a plugin. So scroll down right here and then look for the options for plugins. Click on this Add New Plugin. And then once you have done that, you will be redirected to the plugin marketplace. So just click on the search bar right here and try to search in here for WhatsApp. And then from in here, you should be able to see some search results that match your search. So you can choose which ones you want to use for this one. But for this particular thing, you can choose the ones that actually wants. So for me, I'll choose this join chat right here. So let's click on this one. And then once I have done that, click on this install and activate. Then it will install this particular plugin. Now in here, click on this manage plugin. And then from in here, it will show me what the plugin looks like in here. So here's the plugin. So let's just look for the plugin that we have just created. So here it is right here. So you can click on this right here, which is the join chat. And once you have clicked on this join chat right here, as you can see, it's activated. So don't need to activate it anymore. And then in here, this will load. So it will show you to set up. Click on this OK, let's start. And then just enter in here your WhatsApp number. And once you have done that, you can continue and you should be able to bind your WhatsApp chat to your WordPress website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe, and helps reach more people. See you soon.